Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all comments in a spreadsheet in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify the comments. Here I have a spreadsheet with a list of employees. You'll notice several little symbols in the corners of some cells. Each one of these indicates a comment. If you hover your mouse over one, you can see the full comment. These are often used when collaborating, so multiple people might add their notes throughout the sheet. If you're interested in learning how to add comments and use them properly, check out my other video on that topic. But for this video, let's say we just want to remove all the comments at once and start fresh with a clean dataset. Step 2. The slow way. Not recommended. Sure, you could delete comments one by one. Click on the cell, then use the 3 dots and choose Delete Thread, or right-click the cell and choose Delete Comment. But imagine having to do that 10, 50, or even 100 times. That's far too slow. Step 3. The fast shortcut. Here's the quick way. Click the Select All button in the top left corner of your worksheet. That's the little triangle between row numbers and column letters. This highlights the entire sheet. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Editing group, look for the Clear button. If you don't see the word Clear, just look for the little eraser icon. Click the drop-down and choose Clear Comments and Notes. That's it. Instantly, all comments and notes disappear from the sheet. No need to delete them one by one. And that's how you quickly remove all comments in Excel. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos.